Nice. Good job, Stevie.
Got lucky. Good job with the spot.
Oh, it's all right.
She gone.
All right, there's a couple more in there. Let me back up a little. Water's super low. He didn't jump for a while, dude. I was surprised. I thought for a little bit, I thought it was a snook. They're back there. Yeah, they're in here. That'll work.
I could go further.
Bump it slow. Bump, bump, bump. There you go. Nice. Tight?
Yeah, it feels like a snook, I think.
Little guy. Micro. Damn fly's as big as he is. Nice.
Bet you that next point will have fish. Ridge found us a little freshwater snook. Good job, Ridge. Nice work, dog. That's what we were talking about, that little dark body on him.
Yeah, nice and fat, eating all these little minnows.
Oh yeah, dude, he's chunky.
I feel like they're just made different back here, you know? It's the same fish, but just, they look so different.
They do look different. That dark, you could tell by looking at them, those fish spend a lot of time back here and they don't go much anywhere else.
Oh, they were born here and they ain't going anywhere.
Happy, lot of food, no pressure.
And aggressive. You know I don't like spiders, right?
Dude, you love spiders. What are you talking about?
I hate spiders, dude. See anything cool?
A bunch of big ass mud minnows. Cichlids. Yeah, a bunch of cichlids here. Nice, dude.
Ah, damn it, I needed some drag. I didn't have any drag.
Came off?
Yeah, I didn't have any
Take us out
drag.
right here. There, he's on it. Work it faster. Cast up in there again. Go to the shadow there to the left.
God.
Try to the left.
Stupid motherfucker.
You'll get him.
Hold on.
Swipe that in, realize I had to.
No,
He had him on.
I didn't have any drag on the reel. I didn't look at it. That's a comeback,
You saved that one.
right? Well, had a day off and me and old Stevie got together and did a little snook fishing in the backcountry, hanging out here in the Everglades, enjoying a nice day out on the water.
Windy day.
Windy.
Get way in the back. Find a couple fish.
Nice little snooks.
Good job, Ridge. Good save, too.
Yeah. Throw in there, make a cast, hook the fish, and no drag. Come tight and no drag. Tighten up the drag, throw back in there.
Got him.
I would have just checked it the first time. Would have been good.
Nice shot.
Oh, there they are.
I would go down the whole edge. There's got to be more. Those. There you go. Dude, I don't care how big or small back here, they're all fucking cool.
Me neither, man.
Back here, it's not even about the size, man. It's
Yeah.
just about the head and how cool they are.
I always tell the clients and everything, like when you come back here, just the fish is a plus.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean? But
They're so cool.
and I've said this 100 times on camera too, the fact that these fish are this big and they're just fully developed is just really cool. I'm gonna catch that one.
Popping right up there.
Where was that, right here?
Yeah, straight 12, a little right of that. Somewhere in there, yep. Yep. Oh, that's a good one.
Right there.
That's a good one, Ridge. Nice job, dude. Oh! Dang. Get it back in there. He's on it. Nice.
Nicer fish.
Hell yeah.
Still a neat little one, but there's definitely a little wad of them in here.
That's a chunky one there.
Look at how he ate that plug.
You know what it reminds me of? Like bass fishing, but just a lot stronger fish.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Yeah.
It really is.
That's the cool thing, throwing that lure in there, working in,
and then you got a bass that actually pulls drag. Even if it's a small snook, he's still doing his thing, you know? Yeah, man. This is what I used to do when I was a kid with my old man, and
yeah, man.
Things that always just going back to the roots, back to the John boat days, you know?
Yeah, man. Throwing the plug into the trees and seeing that swirl.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
You wanna get in here?
Nah, you get him, dude. I'm having a blast watching them eat the lure.
Oh.
That one might not come out. They should be right around this corner here.
Oh, no way.
Yep.
No way. All right, we're going home. Stop us right here.
They should be on the corner. You called it. I can't stake us out.
I just did.
Decent one, right?
No, he's just acting like a dick. He's in the grass.
He's in the grass.
It's a nice fish. I mean, he's not bad. Look how dark he is. Oh, there ain't nothing better than a backcountry snook, dude. Smelling like a damn pot of spaghetti. Bunch of garlic. They do,
Garlic.
bro. You know they do.
Yeah.
They got that,
That mud smell to them.
It's that hydrilla smell. It smells like garlic. Everybody thinks I'm crazy when I say that, but I don't care. Guys, we had a really good day today, and if you guys like these videos like this, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.